we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click on this sign down here, just click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you click here on settings here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on push notifications. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Come here to follow with organizers here, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's me follow with organizers notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your